Hello everyone, myself Yogesh. I have been in the software industry for more than 14 years now. Currently, I am working as a technical architect and I'm always hands on with different technologies that I work with. I started my career in C and C++ and then started working in .NET framework around 2008, and then on I have worked in different versions of .NET, and currently I am working in .NET Core and I am some exposure to Azure Cloud as well. And I have taken .NET trainings for few people, and I'm happy that most of them are well placed in different companies. This training will be of 10 to 20% of presentation and 80 to 90% of practical implementation. And I'm here to guide you through different versions and different technologies of .NET itself. So we can customize the training based on the needs of the experience of the people. Hope this will be of great help. So this is a small brief about me and my background. Now we'll move on to the course details. So this course will be covering the .NET framework from the basics. So the basics, actually I start with object oriented programming because that is the basics of almost all the languages that is existing today. And then move on to the .NET. We will use Visual Studio for our courses for the uh, explanation and the training of all the materials, and we will go with strings, data types, variables, and then all the language basics, and then inheritance, encapsulation, interfaces, classes, objects. We will discuss about all these things, and not only this, we will cover a lot of topics in the object oriented programming and the other basic section. And then there is a advanced .NET course where we will be covering the advanced topics like collections, generic classes, generic interfaces, how to implement generic interfaces with the generic classes, and then tie up with the dependency injection and the exception handling and input output processes and file handlings, and the most important LINQ and lambda expressions. And LINQ also, like we will discuss all these things, LINQ to SQL, LINQ to data, and there is a most famous JSON and XML manipulation. And we will go with a small introduction to the dependency injection and the unit testing, and we will see how to implement all these things in practical. And there is a specific web API course where we will be discussing the REST principles and the basics of web API and why, and starting with controllers, HTTP methods, routing to the most advanced topics like authentication and authorization of web API, error handling in filter, handler, and adding more features to the web API methods. And there is a lot of detailed topics like media converters and cars. All these things we will discuss as part of the web API course. And finally, there is a course for .NET Core itself, where we start with why .NET Core and what .NET Core offers other than what is currently in .NET. And we will create a .NET Core web application with all the topics that we discussed in the .NET itself, because there is some things or most of the things different in .NET Core than the .NET framework. So this is just a basic introduction of all the courses that we will be providing in the .NET background. Thank you so much for listening to me, and we will see you in the actual course. Thank you.